Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome back to my second channel. I always get tons and tons of requests to film myself cleaning my room, which I never quite understand why it's enjoyable to watch, but today that's what I'm going to be doing. This is obviously going on my second channel and not my main channel because I really don't know why these videos are interesting at all. I hate cleaning my room and so does everybody else, so why would you want to purposely watch someone clean the room? I don't know, but that's what we're going to be doing today. My room is a hot mess. I got back from sleepaway camp like 3 days ago, so there's just stuff everywhere. I'm gonna be filming a lot today. I'm filming this video, I'm filming a main channel video, actually 2 main channel videos, so I just would like my room to look presentable and me to feel kind of clean. I took a shower today, I put on pimple cream, I'm feeling productive. It's literally 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but like, it's okay. Also, yes, I'm wearing men's boxers and I do have a rash on my leg, so if you see that, please just ignore it. I don't know how to make it go away. I've been putting cream on it for the last few days, but ignore that if you see it. I know it's kind of gross. I'm gonna show you the before of my room and then we will get cleaning. If you haven't watched my room tour, I recommend you watching this, but this is the door you come in, and then I have all this random crap here. My nightstand is a mess. My bed needs to be made. There's a bra. There's just all these empty packages from Amazon. Clothes. My dresser is dirty. My desk is actually pretty clean. My vanity. All of these are clean clothes that I just don't want to put away. My closet isn't that bad. I have random stuff over here, and then there's my bathroom. So I know it's not the dirtiest, but it's pretty dirty and it's making me uncomfy. After around an hour of cleaning my room, I finally finished everything. It looks so good compared to the way it looks now, and I know cleaning your room is such a pain, but if you're watching this right now, clean your room with me, get up and do it. Blast some of your favorite music. I was just jamming out to country music. I know it's like the biggest hassle ever, but the aftermath just feels so nice and you feel so productive. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like now. So walking in, you can see my entire floors. Like, this never happens. By the way, these stains are from henna. Everybody always asks me. I know they're gross, but they're just from henna. Over here, we have all my trash, and I need to throw this out in the big trash cans and recycling bins outside, so that's why it's just in this corner over here. Then I cleaned off my side table. I know it doesn't look very clean, but I just have my chapsticks, water bottles, speakers, camera stuff. Made my entire bed, as you guys saw. That's my snack, don't mind it. And then I cleaned up all the PR packages and clothes that were over here. I got rid of all these clothes. I hung them all up in my closet and put them all away in my dresser, and I could actually close it this time. My desk was clean, so that's fine, but I also cleaned this little section. And then my bathroom was pretty clean too, but I just cleared the countertops. I'm really proud of my closet though. I used to have so many hoodies and sweatshirts up here, and I finally hung them all up. I have so many hoodies and sweatshirts, so I finally got to hang them up. These are all clothes that I sell on my Poshmark and my Depop, so go check those out. But yeah, I don't know, I feel very productive and I felt clean. So that's really all this vlog is. Hopefully you guys enjoyed cleaning my room with me. I know it's not very interesting, but I always get these requests and people want to see me clean my room. So if you enjoyed watching me clean my room, let me know if you want to see more in the comments, and if you guys want to see more, then I'll do more. But yeah, thank you for watching my clean my room, and I will see you guys in my next vlog on this channel. I promise new main channel videos will be coming ASAP. I've been super busy and super stressed, and I'm going to Florida in literally 3 days, so there's just a lot going on right now, but I promise main channel videos coming soon. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Peace in the Middle East.